Model 2015 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC L22900 1.6CDTI BiTurbo 120PS ecoFLEX Sportive H1 van body, grey, crew cab mileage 166647 MOT, the 13th of June 2024 engine 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BiTurbo SE5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is average. Features, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,925.